A cinematic wide-angle garden scene features a serene Eichler home adorned with vines, lush planters, and a colourful palette of pink, white, and green set against a narrow street. Experience an elegant house exterior with a photorealistic symmetry of green and red tones, featuring an ornate front door, a winding walkway, and a majestic large tree nearby. This anamorphic shot captures a house framed by white flower bushes and a rich garden foreground, inspired by Michael Flower's lush greenery and classic architecture styles. Set on a Vancouver sidewalk, this serene scene highlights dark stone walls and pillars surrounded by a lush garden, blending a green color scheme with modern commercial style. A beautifully rendered isometric garden comes to life with roses and ferns, featuring a house pathway and a grand tree captured in high-detail 8K movie-style cinematography. A dramatic entry in a neoclassical style features a black door and stone walkway, showcasing a luxurious Sydney garden with rich colours and unique, detailed topiary designs. This opulent view highlights a gated entrance and brick walkway leading to a colonial house, inspired by Architectural Digest with a stunning green palette and narrow paths. Captured from a low angle, this movie frame features a white door and fence nestled in vibrant greenery along the Emerald Coast, with a small path winding up to the entrance. A cinematic 8K shot of a symmetrical doorway framed by a large tree and lush bushes, focusing on a striking green and black color scheme with professional architectural flair. Explore a charming cottage garden through this 4K time-lapse, featuring a rustic wooden door, a winding stone path, and a collection of beautifully arranged potted plants. Pristine landscape architecture meets Celtic design in this anamorphic scene, showcasing a serene house exterior with an open door, elegant pathways, and lush surroundings. Inspired by popular interior design, this music video still captures a house with a stylish gate and topiary bushes, rendered in a crisp and clean green and white palette. A Marvel-inspired commercial shot features a white colonial house with green and pink floral accents, anamorphic lens flares, and highly detailed, lush garden vegetation. This architectural magazine-style view highlights a white house with a grand gate, featuring roses, ferns, and decorative lamps framed by unique and intricate Celtic designs. A realistic 16K garden scene showcases a massive tree in front of a modern white house and black gate, blending sleek waterproof tech with a unique 3D printed building style.